Welcome to the AccuWeb.Cloud video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to upgrade PHP version after environment setup. Let's begin the tutorial. AccuWeb.Cloud offers a robust hosting platform for PHP applications, allowing users to easily manage their environment settings, including the crucial task of upgrading PHP versions. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of upgrading the PHP version after the environment setup in AccuWeb.Cloud. AccuWeb.Cloud supports various PHP versions, including but not limited to PHP 8.0.30, PHP 8.0.28, PHP 8.1.25, PHP 8.1.16, PHP 8.2.3, PHP 8.2.4. Let's see the steps on how to upgrade PHP version after environment setup. Begin by accessing your AccuWeb.Cloud account and log into the dashboard. Ensure you have the necessary credentials to access your hosting environment. Locate your environment within the dashboard and click on the Change Environment Topology option. This step is essential to access and modify the settings of your environment. Once you are in the environment settings, navigate to the PHP Language tab. This section allows you to make changes related to the PHP configuration for your hosting environment. Select your preferred application server from the available options. This choice may depend on your application's specific requirements, and AccuWeb.Cloud provides flexibility in choosing the appropriate server. In the central pane of the PHP Language tab, locate the second drop-down list. Use this list to choose the PHP engine version you wish to upgrade to. Upon selection, the Redeploy Containers frame will be opened. In the Redeploy Containers frame, you will be prompted to select a new tag for your containers. Additionally, you'll see a list of Apache versions alongside corresponding PHP versions. Choose the desired PHP version as per your need. In this example, we will choose Apache 2.4.56 and PHP version 8.2.4. AccuWeb.Cloud provides additional options to customize your deployment. Keep volumes data. Enable this option to safeguard data in volumes from being erased during the upgrade. Deployment options for horizontally scaled containers. Simultaneous deployment. Redeploy all nodes at once for a quicker upgrade, but be aware of a brief downtime. Sequential deployment with delay. Redeploy instances one by one with a specified delay, ensuring continuous availability. After configuring your settings, click the Redeploy button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm your choices to initiate the PHP version upgrade process. Upon completion of the upgrade, a notification will appear in the top right corner of the dashboard, indicating the success of the PHP version upgrade. For detailed information on the upgraded container, click the Show Logs button. This will open a tab with pertinent information, including node ID, named tag, and duration of the upgrade process. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded the PHP version in your AccuWeb.Cloud hosting after the environment setup. Thank you for watching.